You know what time it is when you hear my voice, right? Also, Dragon All-Star is here. Liquor Brown Rasta, big up herself. She's not here this evening. She's not well. We want to wish her all the best. She's getting well soon. She's somewhere watching her live feed on the internet right now. Good evening to you, Rasta. Dragon, no big up Rasta.
Yeah, big up Rasta means that them slight tackler. Yeah, she injured.
She can injury.
Yeah, bad injury. Say go Rasta.
Whoever slide tackle Rasta need a yellow card. Whoever, no, as a red card. Red card. Because how they make Rasta can forward to the show. That card is not so good, right? I don't like it. But anyway, good evening to everybody that's locking this way. My name is DJ Rick on behalf of Dragon All-Star, Liquor Brown Ras, World Mark Entertainment and Flames Radio. This is the Upnlive show we brought to you each and every week right here. The biggest and the baddest UK acts from around the world on this platform. This evening we have a very special lady. She's here with us, our very, very first performance, a very, very first interview. She go by the name of Lioness2Bad. Welcome to the Upnlive show. Welcome to Flames. How are you doing today?
Hi, good evening. Welcome Flames as well to me, and thank you so much for having me as well, Rick. I'm fine. Yeah.
It's a pleasure.
A bit
but
nervous, but I'm alright.
the first thing we need to start with you for this. The first thing is the confusion with the name.
Oh gosh.
There's two names.
Mhm.
There's Lioness,
Yeah.
and then there's is it Jelani?
Jelena.
Talk to me. What's going on?
Jelena.
What's going on there?
Well, what I'll say, there's more than 2 names actually. I've probably
Yeah.
got about 20 names from birth, you know.
So you end up with so much name.
Well, over the years, you know, just like any ordinary artist, you know, you evolve, and you know, from childhood till now, adulthood, I've had a variety of names. So anybody that knows me, before Lioness2Bad, I was actually original Lady Mel, and there's many more originals more than that before me. But
So which one are you gonna stick with now?
I think, well, the thing is, in Jamaica, everybody knows me as 2Bad, and that's officially coming from the general himself, because he said Lioness2Bad was too long. But in the UK, everyone says it's Lioness2Bad because they know that the bad stands for BAD. It's blessed and delivered.
Okay.
So
So the general you're talking about is one ticket that's giving you your
it's
name.
the
you
Wild
can't
Lad
get.
himself.
So you're gonna run with the 2Bad, or you're gonna run with the Jelani? Which one?
Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the Lioness2Bad for everyone in the UK, and then when
Yeah.
I go home to Jamaica, everyone will be like, yo, 2Bad, or them shout out Lioness anyway. They're like, yo, Lioness. So I think Lioness2Bad is the official, I think is what we're going to stick with.
You're gonna stick with it, right?
Yeah, because then everyone's not confused. Then,
That's
you know?
right.
You know?
And what kind of music do you do?
Well, I do a variety of music, but what I'm doing is I'm collaborating my UK sounds alongside Jamaican.
So you predominantly a dance or hip hop or reggae.
Well,
What category would you fit yourself in?
I can't. I want the fans to actually pick for me, because obviously it's brand new for me. It's a brand new career,
Okay.
and obviously depending on what the audience wants will be more of what I sing. So
Yeah.
I'm really happy with singing dancehall. I love my reggae. I love grime. You know, back in the day, garage. You know, so there's going to be some of that type of music coming from me as well. I
Okay.
like soul and R&B. So collectively, I'm just, you know, a burst of music. So
A burst of energy.
a burst of energy,
And we
and,
can
I'm
tell
going
that
to fit
she's-
into everything, because that's what I want to do.
You've been doing this for, is it for a while now, or you just recently started?
Well, officially just recently started, but I have been singing all my life, and it's one of my hidden
So why
talents.
now you decided to just crawl out to the woodworks, so to speak?
Well, you know, like I say, people that know me, they know I'm coming from different backgrounds, security, gardening, you know, I've got many, many, many talents, my jewelry business. So now, you know, at this stage of life that I'm at, I'm just thinking, just don't let it pass me by, you know, and everyone loves how I sound, and it's really the people what's made me do this. You get what I'm saying? Because everyone's saying, don't be frightened. We love how you sound, and
Yeah.
you there's a spot for you in the industry. So come and take your place. So that's
How was
what
the
I'm
transition though?
doing.
Because you have to transition from the normal, on the day-to-day basis, you're known as Lioness. Is that right? Am I right?
Yes, yeah, all right.
Okay, so how is the transition from Lioness to Lioness2Bad on stage?
Well, it's just a growth, you know. It's something that happens over time, you know, and the people, like I say, are the reason why I'm here. My fans, my friends, my family, you know, everyone's been saying, like, are you sure? Like, just do it. If you're going to do it, just do it already. So I went to Jamaica.
I think that's what. I guess I'm getting to that now. I think this is the Jamaica trip that's actually spring all of this musical Because before, I knew you before.
Mhm.
I didn't really know you as a musician before.
No.
I never heard any of your songs, but then you came back from Jamaica. As a matter of fact, when you were in Jamaica, you'd be like, Upnlive, I got new music. I'm like, music? Maybe you're giving me a music from an artist,
Surprise.
but then we got some music, and we're like, whoa, she's really serious.
Yeah,
So that's why I say, you know what, let's get her onto the set and see what she's all about.
Thank you so much, because I couldn't do it without Flames.
But that's what it's all about. This is what the platform is about. Trying to help people as yourself. May not make the biggest noise, but it's a noise that you're making, and we like to hear the noise, and we try to share whatever you're doing. So maybe one person may hear, and then you never know what can happen, right? I would like the energy. I like his spirit.
Thank you, and I love yours too, all of you. You know, for many years, you've supported me anyway in different areas of my life. You know, and like I say, I can't do it without the people. The people are the reason why I'm singing, why I'm feeling confident about it as well. Like I say, it's a hidden talent, so there's things that I've been singing for years that you're gonna hear, obviously to you and the public.
Yeah.
It's the first time, but
Any performances that you've done since you're on your recent trips? Have you performed? As a matter of fact, have you performed ever before? Or are you still waiting for that initial gracing the stage? Have you done it before?
well, I was performing before. I was doing acting, but
Okay.
actual music. My first performance was on Saturday, and that was down in Brixton at
How
the
did it
state.
go?
It was good. It was wonderful. The people really liked it. There was bobbing their heads and dancing as well, and even the photo shots. What I did get so far, like
Yeah.
I really looked comfortable and happy, and even my friends was like, "You're shining,"
Yeah.
you know, knock 'em dead. Like everyone's like just really rooting for me, and like I say, that's the reason why I'm doing it. You know,
I
because
can
I've got such love and.
We can see that you're buzzing. And I like the buzz, I like the glow.
Thank you.
And we're very happy to have you on set this evening. Very happy to have you here, and I wish you all the best in your near future and whatever you endeavor to do in terms of music, because you definitely have a spirit, and you definitely have the will and the aura to capture the audience. And I hope you bring it forward with your music, with every songs you do, and I think you're gonna do great.
Thank
You just need to keep doing what you're doing. The groundwork is very important. Networking, as you said, these little open mics, what I already see you doing, so good luck on that one, alright?
Thank you so much.
Well, because you're a new artist, we normally put every artist to the test that comes into the Upnlive show, but I think we may slightly tweak it this week, because you're not really much of a big performer. Are you comfortable enough to go into the deep end?
Why not? That's what happened to me at Brixton, and I held it, and everyone said you looked a bit nervous, but you did really well. So the only way I'm going to ever perfect my craft is if I go in at the deep end. So
Okay.
let's do this.
Alright, so go ahead. People, this is Lioness2Bad, right here in the Upnlive show. We're going to throw her into the deep end. I was trying to put her into the shallow so she can walk out slowly and then go into the deep and probably float. But she want to dive off the deep end, right? So with no further delay, this is the Upnlive show freestyle right here for the very first time. This is Lioness2Bad. It's all yours, right?
Yeah. Thank you, Rick. He's my baby, I know that I love him, I will love him till the end. Me no business with bad mind, I know, but show me love in every way. Yeah, me I go freestyle now, but me I feel tell you how I feel. Me love everyone and I so proud to be here tonight, yeah. But them I sit on them I watch me, them I watch me closely, yeah. Me bonfire upon OBK, hey, what you say? Me bonfire upon OBK, trust me, because he's my what? You ready? Right, I'm ready. You're a superstar, boy, you're not enough beauty. So humble like a star, that's why I love you. One man to the tail of me stand. That's why I love you every day. We can't stay forever, stay close. Boy, you smell sweet, just like a fresh rose. Every time I see you, you get me around.
You know what? Because I guess the video late. Because I wanted to say that I'm actually the baby she's talking about.
Yeah, you. And everyone as well. Big up the whole Flames family. Thank you so much.
Definitely. If you can tell the cameras and you can talk to everybody in Radio Land right now, how we can find you and find your music quickly.
All right. So real quickly, the way you find me is Instagram Lioness2Bad, and I must stipulate that the BAD stands for blessed and delivered, because I don't promote no wickedness and no bad man and no evil. And differently, you can look forward to the mixtape or the official EP. It will be out at the end of May. May Bank Holiday, I think, is the last one next month.
Next month, all right?
Yeah.
People, lovely. And it was wicked. Lioness2Bad. She was definitely here, right? Respect and manners. Thank you very much, people. That's everyone that's watching online. If you're listening to us each and every week right here, this is Flames Radio. This is the Upnlive show. Remember, like our videos on YouTube. Search for the show, Upnlive show. Go onto the website, www.flamesradio.co.uk. You can watch us live here each and every Wednesday. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. Keep it locked. Up next, we got another beautiful lady right here on set. This is the Upnlive show. Dragon, kick it off.